Your credit card may be declined for online purchases due to several reasons. One common issue is providing incorrect payment information, such as a wrong 16-digit credit card number or billing address. To fix this, it's essential to ensure that all details are accurate. Another reason is that the credit card has expired, as online purchases cannot be made with an expired card. In this case, checking the expiration date and replacing the card is necessary. Having different shipping and billing addresses can also trigger a decline, as some online stores may flag this as a potential fraud alert. Additionally, an inactive credit card can cause issues, often requiring activation before use. Changes to the credit card status, such as being removed as an authorized user, can also lead to declines. If the transaction exceeds the credit card limit, the purchase will be declined. For example, attempting to buy something for $500 when the limit is only $300. To resolve this, it's crucial to ensure the credit card has sufficient funds for the purchase. Furthermore, suspected fraudulent activity can cause a credit card to be declined, particularly if the online purchase significantly deviates from the normal spending pattern. These are some of the common reasons why credit cards are declined for online purchases, and addressing these issues can help resolve the problem.